Richie ba tayo?
Pilit ko na yung buwang. Bayari ko niya. Okay.
Sige. 1, 2, 3.
Ito, so, magkaabang na pangutan na kanya. Kung mag-answer ko dito.
Na, ano ko na mga tanan na alam mo kayo mga tanan ko dito mga tanan no. Ikaw eh.
Sige, go.
Yeah. Yun na. So, let's proceed to...
Katawanan.
So, let's proceed.
Proceed.
Yun na.
Let us proceed. Ano?
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So, let's proceed to the personal reflection. So, after you share your thoughts, what did you realize in your daily life as a student or as a person?
I realized that legacy is not just about the big achievements, but also kung paano mo tratuhin yung mga tao araw-araw. And I realized that I can start mine now. So, I want my legacy na maging kind person, very trustworthy and reliable, and someone they can comfortable with.
Ba't ang 1 minute?
But
No.